back to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing Lizzo's Yitty brand. It's super exciting. I know you guys are probably overwhelmed with the amount of reviews on Lizzo's Yitty brand, but you know what? I'm Queen Shapewear. Me. Look at the videos. I'm Queen Shapewear. I'm Queen Waist Trainer, all right? So let's get into this video. So for those who don't know me, my name is Leslie, and if you love to see fashion hauls and plus size vlogs, you want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you can be notified every time I post a video. And if you enjoy any part of this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up right now so that way I know this is the type of content that you want to see. Alright, so let's get into this video. I just opened up this package, and one of the things that are super important to me is quality of branding and things like that. And this is the packaging, but as you can see, my package has been damaged. I don't see that being because of the shipper. Like, it came in a big package. What are the odds of it ripping like that? So it had to have come like that. So obviously getting a package that looks like this is disappointing. Like, it's ripped. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the rest of the packaging because I like this. Like, this is really cute, but I just really hate how that looks. It's also ripped up right here in the corner. Oh, and this one is squished right here. And there's actually, if you look, there's dirt on the product. So that is kind of frustrating. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's literally dirt right here. Who wants to, like, I guess you could just wash it, but like, ew, like that's gross. Like, what's going on with the packaging? All the rest of the stuff comes in like packaging like this, and it looks pretty good. It's just those boxes were really bad quality. I mean, the boxes weren't really bad quality. It's just that I don't know if the way they were delivered. I don't want to blame the shipping people because what are the odds of it being so ripped like that? And then the packaging not looking too messed up. I don't know. We'll just give you the benefit of the doubt and hope that the packaging is not going to look like that all the time. But that was kind of like disheartening. But I love when they use like recycled plastic or recycled material to make the plastic baggies. That's important to me. But let's get into the first product. I'll be right back. I pulled up the pants here. This is what they look like, and what I like about it immediately is that there is like, it says Yitty around it, and that's like the slip, the non-slip grip, which I love. I've never seen that before, which makes me feel like she pays attention to detail. Things like that excite me. So in this outfit, I love that it's all made of mesh. I love how there is material underneath so that way you don't have to worry about the world seeing your stuff. There's even like a thong sort of thing to follow like your natural body line, which I like. And I love when things have that lining. I think it's sexy. I think it looks a lot cooler when it has like that V shape underneath. Like, I don't know, there's just something about it. You can kind of see the shape all the way up here. Also, the non-slip grip is also underneath the shirt, which I've never seen ever. So I'm kind of shocked. I really genuinely love that because then I don't have to worry about my shirt moving around. This is what the back looks like. I do have a little back fat coming out, but who wouldn't have a lot of back fat when you are this thick and luscious? So I actually am obsessed with this particular outfit. I think that it's definitely not something I would normally go for, but it is something that is cute enough for me to go ahead and leave my comfort zone. Like, I would go outside like this. I don't care. Like, this is something I would wear and be comfortable doing. So I give this outfit a 10 out of 10, even though it's a little bit different from any sort of pattern I've ever tried. It's just so comfortable, and it's like there's underwear in there without there really being underwear. And I don't know if that's like shapewear technology in there, because there's like an extra piece of mesh, but I really truly think that's just so you don't see your goodies. But yeah, comment below what you think of this first outfit. So I could tell from this first product that she really understands what it means to be a plus size woman. Like, the extra slip grip under here was like, yeah, she thought this crap through, and it seems as if this is gonna fit me the way I need it to fit me. So it doesn't matter what shape you are, it's gonna mold to your body, which is literally once in a lifetime. Like, that rarely ever happens. You usually have to fit into the clothes don't usually fit on you. So I'm getting excited. All right guys, so this is the second outfit. It's so funny because when I first saw the bra, it looked so small. I did another haul on Shapewear brand and I thought the exact same thing. I was staring at it like there's no freaking way, but I was like, let me just put it on and see what happens. And it actually fits really nice. It's really stretchy, really comfortable, and really soft. This is probably my favorite so far. Wow, I've only done 2 and I'm like stuck between which ones are my favorite. These leggings are so soft. I don't know if you guys can see, like there is a line right here, so it gives it like a different texture. It also has that V shape in the back to give you like that big booty look, which I don't think there's any product in the world to make my butt look big, but any support will be helpful. I feel so comfortable, like I could even work out in these, but I don't know if these are supposed to be like a form of shapewear, because to me they just feel like very loungewear-y, like I'm comfortable. I would wear this around the house all day. And then the back is really cute because it has like a flexible mesh thing going on, and it fits nice. Like I'm not worried about my boobs falling out. My shoulders are comfortable. I don't feel like any back pain, shoulder pain. I'm comfortable, which is very, very rare for someone with my size chest. So she knows what she's freaking doing. Like I cannot believe how my boobs are just fitting in this. No freaking problem. Like I'm obsessed. Oh, this is so nice. You can't even tell me this isn't cute. Like nobody can tell me that this is not cute. I'm 5'5". I don't know how tall people would do with this. This is the only thing. I feel like this is hitting my ankle perfectly. If you're tall, I don't know how that's gonna go. This cute little bright, I'm obsessed. I don't know, guys. Comment below what you think of this one. I give this one a 10 out of 10 as well. Then comfort, quality. I can't believe the quality. Like I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I do not like the quality of Fabletics stuff. Usually their stuff breaks really easily, rips really easily. So when I saw that she was partnered with Fabletics, I kind of like second guessed it, but this is so soft, comfortable, and it feels like it's gonna last forever. I don't feel uncomfortable. So all right, big thumbs up. Comment below what do you think of this cute little yellow number. All right, so far so good. I actually have the matching short to go with this matching top, so let me go ahead and put that on real quick. The other thing I also like about this is that this has Lizzo written all over it. Like, bitch, I'm sustainable. Like, she's so funny. Like, I'm obsessed with her. All right, so this is what the shorts look like, guys. Again, it has the cute little V in the back, and the only thing that I forgot to tell you is that both the pants have Yitty written around the bottom on the band, and then also it says Yitty around the band on the bralette as well. So which one do you guys like better, the shorts or the leggings? I'm leaning more toward the leggings because I can see myself wearing that outside as opposed to this. Like I don't see myself going on a stroll, because I could put a denim jacket on top and go on a stroll if I really wanted to, but or I'll just stay home. Let me stay my ass home. So this is the next outfit, guys. So I'm absolutely obsessed with the black version of this shirt. It is so cute. Like I literally want everything to be made out of this material, and like if she can make bodysuits like this as well, there's like coverage, because people will say that my cleavage is out all the time, and it's not on purpose. It's just that I don't really find shirts that come up to here that I find comfortable, and this is probably the most comfortable I've ever felt. I'm not wearing a bra. I feel supported. Like it has coverage here, so I don't have to wear anything underneath. This has like the thong thing going on, so that way it doesn't show the things you might not want to show. And then again, you can see the booty. It has like the V, sorry for the tag there, but you can see the booty. Now I'm gonna just say this, I'm not Lizzo. I'm not going out with just my bare ass like that. Ain't no way. I don't know if this is supposed to be like shapewear, which I don't believe is supposed to be shapewear, but I cannot picture myself walking outside in these shorts. Like I couldn't do it. But they are cute, like to walk around the house in, I guess. But like, I mean, you have to be a special sort of woman, and that's what makes Lizzo so funny, because like she's a special type of woman. Like she'll go out like this. It's funny because I can go in a bathing suit like this, but I couldn't go grocery shopping like this or go shopping like this in general. But this shirt, 10 out of 10. Everybody should get one of these, especially in this color, the black one. Like this is about to be like something you guys see me in all the time. I'm obsessed with this, and I want them in every color, Lizzo. I want one in every freaking color, and I want bodysuits built like this with the same material, everything. Like, oh, I love it. I feel so cute. I never feel cute with my stuff up here, so it's crazy. I just can't do this. Like I mean, I know I'm on the internet, but like for people to see me in real life, yeah, no, I can't do it. But comment below what you think of this outfit. What did I just say? Didn't I just say that she needs to make bodysuits with the same material? She literally thought of everything. Like, I'm absolutely confused about why I thought this was gonna be so terrible. It's not because of Lizzo, because she's a big girl, like she knows what's needed. It's the fact that I haven't had to put on a bra either. Like I can't do. I literally can't deal with how cute this bodysuit is. It's a fact that like I said, I've had a bad experience with Fabletics before, and this was years ago, so maybe it's a little bit different. But this, oh my god, I'm gonna show you the back. It's a thong, so of course I can't really show you anything. It's see-through all through the back. I have support on the girls, so I'm just so confused. Like, I'm not understanding how she built it. Like, why couldn't anybody else figure this out for all these years? There's been years. I'm 29, no, I'm 30 years old, and not once have I ever felt like, yeah, I could just buy this and be good to go. Like it's the fact that I can wear this as like a shirt. Like, this is cute. Like, this is about to be my favorite bodysuit, and I need one in every color. Like, I'm gonna cry. Like, I'm literally, I feel like crying. Like, I never felt so seen. Anyway, 10 out of 10, 20 out of 10, the perfect score. All right, so let's talk about each product one at a time. Of course, I have to find something I didn't like. So obviously, when you have girls like mine, when I say girls, I mean boobs, the most annoying thing is that when the straps roll, these won't stay for the life of me. They're rolling kind of like in the back area, so that really will frustrate me because it hurts. It genuinely hurts me. I don't know if other girls can relate, but when you get like bras in this material, which is like the seamless material, but if they could maybe put a bone where the seam is and then put like a non-stick grip there as well, then we don't have to worry about any of this. But I literally can't stop this from rolling, so I can't. Like, I'm gonna be uncomfortable, and my shoulders already hurt because it's a really small roll digging into my shoulders. So the bras are no for me, unfortunately. But the shapewear panty, I'm obsessed. It's so nice. I don't know what it is. I think most of the control is right here. So it's like they have a band, and like it has a non-stick as well here, and there's a non-stick on the bra. So if you don't have problems usually with the shoulder spinning or whatever you call it, ow. And it tugs on my hair too. Like, it's literally the most aggravating thing. This might be good if you have a smaller chest. This, like I said, has the non-stick grip here around the band, but it's like most of the security is right here. It's like she built it so that way you'll get more tucked in the higher stomach. I could bring it up a little bit higher, but it's perfect because it's shaping me out. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I really am enjoying how comfortable it is. I don't believe shapewear is supposed to change the shape of your waist. I feel like if you want something that changes the shape of your waist, you can get a waist trainer and wear something with like a corset style. Then that might be what you're looking for. But for this is supposed to just make you look a little bit more flattering. It's supposed to flatten out your stomach a little bit and conform to your body. That's how I feel shapewear is supposed to be. So I still am gonna show my hips and curves. It's just never gonna go away, and my whole point is not to hide it. My point is to feel secure, and that's what these panties have done. They make me feel really secure. So the bra I give a 4 out of 10 because what am I supposed to do? I can't wear this. Like, I literally can't. This, 10 out of 10. I know I'm giving a lot of 10s, but like, that's just my honest opinion. Right, Bentley? Yeah, he agrees. All right, I have one more product. If you made it this far, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys so much for all the support that you've given me throughout these years. If you have any comments of any other product you would like me to try, please comment below so that way I can do this for you. If you have any questions or concerns, you can also DM me personally, but please ask me an actual question if you're gonna DM me. If not, if you just have a regular comment, you can comment below, all right? You can also ask your questions in the comments. I try my hardest to answer every comment possible, okay? So let me get into the last product. All right, guys, this is the last shapewear piece. It is a bodysuit up to the thigh. I really would enjoy this if the shoulder straps weren't rolling. I'm telling you, it's like something that I feel like people don't realize happens so easily when it's this material, and it really hurts. Like, for some people they can handle that. For me, I can't handle it, and what I'm not gonna do is just keep tugging at my straps all day. But let's talk about the quality of the shapewear, and I'm gonna keep my hair up like this because, like I said, it will pull at my hair, the straps. Other than that, look how snatched I look. Look how good my booty looks, because you know it has the little, you know, the loose bottom where it's a different material so that way it doesn't shape your booty. And then right here is tight again. My back fat looks amazing. Everything is amazing other than this, and that brings a lot of points down for me. However, I am gonna make my rating of this a 7 out of 10 only because everything else is freaking perfect. Like literally, I have no other complaints other than the straps rolling. But this makes me feel so good. Like I feel supported, my boobs feel good. I have no complaints. Even my stomach, like I said, it just looks really flat. And you know, you gotta admit, like Lizzo has the most colorful line of things I've ever seen. Like she's not afraid to push the envelope, which I love. And you gotta realize too, like plus size women, they don't get a lot of options on colorful things. It's just not as out there. So it's nice to have that option. But yeah, this is really good. Even the back looks really amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. It went a lot better than I expected. I really didn't think that I was gonna like anything. I don't know why I thought that. I don't know why I thought that I was gonna like be like, oh, this is trash. I wasn't, not that it wasn't, like I said, it's not Lizzo that I was afraid of. It was Fabletics, because I've just had such bad experiences with Fabletics, which I'll do in a different video. But clearly they're their own entity. She thought everything through. She made sure that basically everything was perfect for us girls. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. So do you want me to